Hello everyone, in our today's problem, we have to solve a problem called largest perimeter triangle, which is a 976 number problem in LeetCode and it's a level problem. So you'll be given an array of integers. You have to return the largest perimeter with a non-zero area. Okay, and if you don't find any, just return 0. That's it. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of three sides, right? For example, hmm, so for example, the length is, what is it? Okay, 1, 4, 2, 4, and 3. Okay, now the perimeter will be 2 plus 4 plus 3, which is 9, right? 6 and 3, 9. Okay, now this is the answer. Means like that's how we need to find it. Now we have to look like first we have to look like is it a valid triangle? If it is not, like then we have to return 0 and if it is, then we have to find the largest one. Like if I take this one, so it will be easier to understand for you guys. Like yeah. Now 1210, right? So yesterday told you like how can you find is this three number is creating a triangle? Like the formula is any sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. Okay, so if you take 1 to 1 and if you add this one, 1 and 2 is 3 is greater than 1. That's true. Then if you take this one on one side and that one another side, so 1 and uh, sum of these two sides will be 3, which is greater than the third side. That's true. But if you add this one and this one, which is 2, it's not greater than 2. It's equal to 2. So that three numbers can create a triangle. Have you got it? Now, if you take this one, 2, 1, and 10, if you add 2 and 1, which is 3, and is not greater than 10, so it will not create any triangle. That means there will be no triangle, and all we have to return 0 here. Okay. On the other hand, 2, 1, 2. So 2, 1, 2. Okay. So is it a valid triangle? First, we have to find if it is a valid triangle or not. Then we have to find the perimeter. Finding the perimeter is very simple. Just all you have to do, you have to add the three numbers. That's it. Now, how can you find the valid triangle? Either you have to add this, and have to look, is it greater than the third one? Then add this and this to find is it greater than third one? Or what you can do, you can sort the number. To sort the number, it will be 1, 2, 2. Means the great number will be the on the last position. And then all I have to do, we have to check is the first two addition of first two number is greater than the third one. If it is, then we can understand that yeah, that's a valid triangle. We don't need to check for each and every number. Hope you know what I mean. So here the the greater number is 2 and the sum of two small number is 3 and it is greater than the third side and it's a valid triangle. Now all we have to find, we have to find the perimeter. So find the perimeter, it will be the addition of three sides, so which will be 5. That's it. So here what will we doing, we will go for the brute force approach. All I have to do, we have to sort the number, sort the array first. So now start begin and num dot end. Okay, so when it's sorted, now the simple formula. Okay, so sorted. For example, I have given a array of numbers and I have sorted it. So the sorted number will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. That's it. Okay. Now, basically, on a general sense, when we can find the uh, largest parameter, when we add the largest three numbers, and all we know that the largest three numbers will be at the end, as we already sorted. So what we can do, we can start the loop from the backside, right? For example, I equal this one, and I'll be checking is I plus 1 is greater than I plus 2. If it is, then it's a valid triangle, and then we can simply from there we can return the sum of these three numbers, because these three numbers will be the biggest one, and it will be the answer. If we don't find, we'll go backward. I hope you know what I mean. So all we do for and I equal to n minus 1 will be the last one. We can start from n minus 1 or we can start from n minus 3. I prefer n minus 3. I greater than or equal to 0 and n minus minus. Then I'll say if nums of I plus nums of I plus 1 is greater than nums of I plus 2. If it is, then return the sum of all numbers plus nums of I plus 1 plus nums of I plus 2. That's it. Or if we don't find any valid triangle, return 0. If I run my code, okay, sorry, there is no n. My bad. It will be nums that size. Okay. No. Oh, too much spelling mistake. Yeah, it's accepted. And now if I submit my code, it's accepted, guys. Thank you so much.